in your love. Please tell me that I'm the only one who has your attention. Your distraction, your only exception. I'm so in awe, hypnotized by the way that you are, mesmerized by the way that you are, my only one. Hypnotized by the way that you are, mesmerized by the way that you are, my only one. In awe, in awe. You've got me all wrapped up in your love. I've reached the state of nirvana. You take me higher than any drug. You have me lost in wonder. You're my bliss, euphoric happiness. I'm so in awe, hypnotized by the way that you are, mesmerized by the way that you are, my only one. Hypnotized by the way that you are, mesmerized by the way that you are, my only one. Hypnotized by the way that you are, mesmerized by the way that you are, my only one. Hypnotized by the way that you are, mesmerized by the way that you are, my only one. In awe, in awe.
These empty rooms, those wasted days, they've been carried off on the winds of change. My dusty suits, my broken ways, are shrinking in the rearview. Hallelujah, babe. All those nights I've been stumbling, running in place, hustling, troubling, coming in late. Something is happening, twisting my fate. There's a shadow in my bedroom, the silhouette of something new. There's a necklace on my nightstand, lipstick on a champagne flute. This green and sage, this calico, it's a foreign land, but you make it home. Your late Monet, my fake Van Gogh. I'm making eyes across this marbled Spanish oak. All that wishing well, kiss and tell, driving you home. Cold shell, prison cell, sleeping alone. Carousel, wedding bell, honeymoon room. There's a shadow in my bedroom, the silhouette of something new. There's a necklace on my nightstand, lipstick on a champagne blue. myself, my dear. Turning the page, I'm trying to pace my knees. I'm starting to face my face. But I like my pace, I love my pace, I love my pace. Fall, it was a benefit.
Thank you for practicing with me today. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button if you would recommend this video to your friend. See you soon on the mat.
Loving the way that you love.